is 8 in the morning. Landed in Florida yesterday. And now, look, we can actually start doing stuff. So we're about to go to a water park after we get breakfast. I'll catch y'all there. Alright, Cassie.
Yeah?
Guess what?
What?
We're here. Blizzard Beach.
Orlando.
Yes, but we're currently at Disney's Blizzard Beach Water Park, which is where the first part of our video is going to take place. So I will see y'all on the inside. We are inside Blizzard Beach. You excited for this, Papa?
Totally.
What about you, Cassie?
Yup.
Heck yeah. Jeez. Alright, starting off pretty simple.
Hey, girl, get up here. Stay with us.
Yeah, Cassie.
I'll wait for the next one.
Good.
Yeah, there's one. There's a blue one way up there.
2'6". Let me try to. You want to tell them where we are, Papa?
Blizzard Beach.
Okay, but what are we on?
We're on the Lazy River.
Yeah, I already said where we were.
Cross Country Creek.
Cross Country Creek.
What's it called?
Yeah, it goes around the entire thing, so that's a good name.
Papa, you can float.
Whee! Good Lord, I just realized the more the never mind.
Huh?
Nothing.
Make sure you're keeping track of your magic band.
I am. It's on my thing. Good Lord.
Yes.
Yeah, wait up, buddy. Something I noticed, camera quality is probably going to get worse as the video continues because this protective thing around my phone is going to get more and more wet. So I'll be ready for some trash quality for a little while. Oh, well, that just made it worse. All right, I found what I think is the sweet spot. Ah, that's nice. That's real nice. Look at all this beauty around us. Whoa. How you feel about this, Grandma? Is this a nice, relaxing way to start the trip?
It is.
Yeah, all that's gonna change once I go up to Summit Plummet. That's gonna be fun. We're like barricaded through a swarm of these things. Thank you, Grandma, for the save. Holy crap. Oh, that got all over my back. Oh, no. No. It's not a very lazy river. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Ah, heck no. Ah, fuck. Ah, shit. Help me. Oh my God. All right, we're going to another one of these things. Oh no. No, no, to the side. To the side. No.
Oh, no.
I'm cooked.
Don't clean it.
All right. Oh, I can make it to the side. Come on. Come on. I can make it to the side. I can make it to the side. I can make it to the side. Yo, I already know the visual is garbage. Oh, crap. Nope. To the side. Oh, crap. I basically just fell into it. This is nice. I said this is nice, actually. Not again. I don't know if y'all can see that because I'm sure it's going to be blurry until I can clear it, but yeah. You mother... This guy just pushed me into it. Everyone boo him. Oh no. Fix that for y'all. Crap. Oh no. Help! Oh, that's not that bad. Someone's sneezing over here. Hey, ice gator. I'll see you later, motherfucker. Oh, crap, I'm sorry. Man, you are a dumbass. Nope. Ah! Oh, you son of a... Yeah, stay in that cabin. See what happens, buddy. Ain't nothing gonna happen to you. You suck. Yeah, you went on the calm way, didn't you? Yeah, get him. Would you do the honors, Papa, of telling what ride we're about to get on?
We're on Summit Plummet.
Apparently, this is supposed to be the biggest water slide in the entire park. And I think in the entire area, if I'm correct. This thing's gonna be a huge drop. So, I cannot wait to get on this. This is gonna be fun. What do you think, Papa?
Awesome.
My prediction, I'm gonna say it's gonna be like a 8.5 out of 10. What do you think?
9.
All right, here we go. Oh my. Here we go. Oh! So this is us after Summit Plummet. What do you think, Papa?
10 out of 10.
Yeah, that exceeded my expectations by a lot. That was amazing. It's terrifying too, but yeah, we're going to meet up with Cassie and Grandma, so cuts you on a little bit. Here we go.
Oh, finally we get to sit down.
For real.
Yeah.
All right, y'all ready?
Yeah, my feet feel much better too.
Aiden,
Hey, bud, hold on.
hold on to it.
All right. I've got another way to hold on to it. Oh, cool. Oh, yeah. Told ya. Ah, crap. You having fun, Cassie?
Yay! I totally regret what I said.
Nice. Ah, crap.
This is the best. This is the best ride we went on so far.
Wow. Holy fart.
This is the best.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
I want to go on this again.
Girl, we got to get lunch first. Oh, no.
No way. This is the best ever.
Oh, no. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Wow. Oh, holy crap. Yo. Oh, no. Yeah. We got all wet. Gosh.
We got some merch.
How'd you feel about that, Papa?
Awesome.
What about you, Cassie?
Yes, I love it.
Any,
Now we're on the lazy river.
any thoughts, Grandma?
No, wait, now we're on
Not the real one. Just another one.
That was great. This is like a small lazy river at the end.
Did you love that?
Yes!
Catch back up after lunch.
Please go again.
We are here at the second half of the video, which will be at Epcot. You excited for this, Papa?
Wait.
Always.
This is gonna be like basically the chillest part of the video, so heads up, this is gonna be the boring part, most likely. Cassie,
What?
excited for Epcot?
Yes.
I mean, nah, there's a couple things to do, so I guess stick around. Epcot, the park entrance. All right, I'll see y'all inside. Right, Cassie? What the freak was that?
So all right with
All right,
me?
folks.
Yeah.
Just got in our first ride, Spaceship Earth. I've been on it a few times. Papa's been on it more than me, of course.
This is the best thing ever.
I've only been on it like once, I think, maybe twice.
I don't-
Not that much.
I don't think I've been on this before.
So you have last time we came.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna hop in Spaceship Earth.
Well, we'll see how many minutes it is. 20 minutes.
That's not that bad.
We.
Let's go.
May I be in your video?
You've been in the video.
I know.
Let's go.
Make sure your face is clearly visible and wait for the light. Good. Sending photos with YouTube. All systems are go. Clicking the knob to your
You ready?
Yeah. Why did they fight these animals?
To eat them.
Now we can hunt as a team and survive together.
Cassie, you still look like that.
You're funny.
Thank you. I try to be.
Recording our knowledge on cave walls.
That must be the king.
That dude got some aura.
Oh yeah, they really do. Oh yeah, and that one's drawing.
Yep.
And that one's moving.
Perfect.
Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt.
That's
Because
correct.
something is about to happen here. It will change the...
Look at that.
These words.
Yeah, they wrote better words. Good job.
This unknown Egyptian apparently needs to
Put your hands like this.
see papyrus. Papyrus in turn.
So, bro.
You need to hold your hands like this.
There's the pharaoh and the queen.
But it also brings with it the dawn of dread
Namaste.
which none of the others can understand. But the traditions, betrayal, ambition, they bring a simple common outcome, adaptable to most life, called mathematics. And with maths comes mechanical technology and
Socrates.
the high tech life we enjoy today.
This guy from the skeleton videos.
You need to bow to them.
I'm not bowing to them. They're not real.
And there's 3.
Look at that aura monster. Alright, Papa. Look, that's the Milano. No, it's not. That's a Nova ship.
Yep.
What route we going on, bro?
Guardians of the Galaxy.
Yep. And because I'm not stupid enough to risk my phone for some video content, I'm just gonna put in a video from TikTok. Just gonna put on like the official Disney ride video of this. I bet, let's go. We just got off Guardians. We got the song September. How'd you feel about it, Papa?
It was amazing.
Yeah, well, now we're heading over to the Moana walkthrough, so see y'all there, and then that'll probably be the end of the video. We had a journey of water. There's a lot of water. Whoa.
Hey, you try.
Let me do some magic.
You gotta wave.
You have to stand on that.
And you have to stand on that and wave.
Wow.
Let me do some magic, bro. Try.
Alright, there's another one. You control the water. Woo!
Higher.
For real? Wait, let me try. Yeah, it ain't gonna reach me up here. Oh, okay. Whoa! That's actually kind of cool. Look at that. The waterfall opens. Open. Thank you, sir. Some chill water, bro. I saw. Look at all the plants.
You want to have your picture taken with Tafiti?
Oh, what the? I didn't even see that. That is a big person. Wow. That is a huge person. That is actually really detailed.
Really detailed.
Really detailed. Yeah, wow.
Three.
Oh, wow. That is cool. Oh, wow. No, I don't, that's not, oh. I'm getting wet.
No way.
Nice. You gotta stomp on it. What? Oh,
You want to get wet?
no, I don't. No. We've gotten wet enough today, Cassie.
No.
Hey, everyone. This is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Tomorrow, we are gonna go to the Kennedy Space Center and Disney Springs. So stay tuned and get ready for that next time. And I'll see y'all on the, can you move? I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out. Oh my gosh, it's Terry Crews.
Welcome.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work. Rocket! Well, okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it. Boys, no one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing. Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well, then